Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Gaetano Dimita. I'm the reader in Interactive Entertainment and Intellectual Property Law, and I'm here to talk to you about Esports Law. Esports Law is a unique course that we have at Queen Mary, in which we focus entirely on this new and fascinating ecosystem. In Esports Law, we're going to first look at the substantial IP issue. So, quickly on the profitability of the game and how this IP is actually the engine that allows for this entire ecosystem to exist, from the tournament organization, from the participation of player within the tournament, and of course streaming and broadcasting. Then we're going to look at the contractual matrix, because of course there are a lot of interwebbed IP licenses and contracts that allow for this ecosystem to generate revenue and to flourish. We're also going to look at how this ecosystem is actually sustained by investment and by monetization of these particular events. And finally, we're going to look at regulation. There is an ongoing debate on whether or not esports should be considered a sport, and so there should be the same kind of rule and regulation that we apply generally to more traditional sport. And there's been a lot of intervention from sport association in order to look, control, and at least have a voice in this new ecosystem. However, there is a lot of resistance, of course, from video game publishers, because at the end of the day, it is their game. So we're going to look at this ongoing discussion, and we're going to look at how particular specific jurisdiction dealt with the problem. From jurisdiction that totally embrace this view that esports, or at least some sort of esports, because I should use the plural. There is probably a different esports ecosystem for every single game that is used in an esport, while other jurisdictions actually reject this idea that professionally playing a video game is a form of sport. And in the middle, a lot of jurisdictions that actually dealt specifically with some specific problem in order to address and allow for this tournament and this ecosystem to exist locally. So if you're curious about this new enterprise, this new market, this new ecosystem, this is one of the courses you should take.